Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change calendar notification sound and vibration. It's pretty simple. You want to go inside your phone setting first. From inside your phone setting, you want to choose sound and haptics. From inside here, you will see the option called calendar alerts. Click on it. Now from over here, to change the notification sound, you have tons of option over here. Whichever option you like, you can tick that and that option will be chosen just like that. But I want to go with chord, the default one, so I will just choose the default one. And if you want to change the vibration, you want to click on haptics at the top and you can choose whichever option you want from over here as well. But as I said, I want to go with the default one, so I will choose the default. But you guys can choose whichever one you like. After you choose the haptics and notification you want, you can close the setting. Basically, your calendar's notification, sound, vibration will be changed. That is how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future calendar related videos like this. If you have any question, ask us in the comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.